The time has come to get your MGB set for another year on the road, and the MGOC Spares and Accessories 12,000 mile service kit has everything you need to do so. First up is an oil change. Ideally, bring the engine up to temperature before securing it on axle stands. Chock the rear or leave it in gear and then begin draining the warm, easy-flowing oil. The kit includes a new crunch washer to seal the sun plug and a new oil filter. Remember that the current oil filter will still have oil inside. Make sure you wipe away as much as possible from the housing. Unbox your new oil filter and lubricate the seal ring with a smear of fresh oil. Take care not to cross-thread it, and it should only ever be hand-tight. The oil filler cap on the top of the rocker cover also acts as a breather. It can become clogged and should also be replaced at this interval. Lower the car to the ground and follow your manual's filling capacities for the oil. Don't pour it all in at once. Use a dipstick to monitor your levels as you go. Ample oil is supplied in the kit. Now we progress to the ignition system. HT leads and their condition are essential for a strong ignition and good engine operation. Inspect them along with the distributor cap, paying attention to the points and central contact for cracks, corrosion and other deterioration. New spark plugs are included, but it's wise to inspect your old plugs as they speak volumes about the condition of your engine. It's prudent to gap your plugs before reinserting them with a plug spanner. Do not lubricate and do not over-tighten. Now we move to the distributor itself. Remove and inspect your rotor arm, and while it's off, take a photograph of the wire arrangement inside the distributor, as this will be very useful when reassembling. The condenser is fastened at its body and at the end of its wire. Be careful with the fixings and washers as they are easy to drop into oblivion. A new condenser and a set of points are included in the kit. Refer to your photograph to replicate the wire arrangement. The points gap must be set. To do so, the engine needs to be at top dead center. Remove one spark plug to make this rotation easier. Again, consult your manual for point gap specs. Use a feeler gauge to measure the gap, a flathead to open the points, and a posi to lock the unit in place at the fixing screw. Return the rotor arm, cap and leads, and now we'll swap the belt. This little belt is integral to your engine cooling and the car's electrical systems. Its failure will maroon you at the side of the road, so change and tension it at this interval and don't wait for it to become frayed. Hoses aren't offered in this service kit, but they are offered on the website. Routinely check for splits and perishing and inspect the seals at the clips. The penultimate step looks to your induction system. Clogged air filters hinder induction, affecting engine power and efficiency. Whether your setup is standard Cooper boxes or a performance system, service them now. Finally, check and top up your carburetor oil. You won't need to add much. Any excess will be messily ejected through the dipstick system, which is to be avoided. Fill in your provided service stickers, check the oil level now it's settled, and you may notice a rocker cover gasket is included for the tappet adjustments. Refer to your manual for instruction. Once you're confident that everything's as it should be, you're set for another year behind the wheel. Find all the parts and upgrades that you may need at mgocspares.co.uk.